Hashtag Energy Tech Breakthroughs, long-form tutorial script. You're investing in energy solutions wrong. Most people are. They're missing 3 massive breakthroughs that are literally transforming how we power our lives right now. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how they work and how to leverage them before they become mainstream. Welcome back to TechNavigator Pro. I'm your guide through the rapidly evolving world of energy technology. Let's start with the problem. Traditional energy management is outdated. Your home or business is probably losing money through inefficient power distribution. You're not monitoring real-time consumption. You're not capturing renewable energy when it's abundant. And you're definitely not optimizing battery storage the way cutting-edge systems do today. Here's what's changed. 3 energy breakthroughs are disrupting everything. The first game changer is intelligent battery technology. Traditional lithium-ion batteries? They're becoming obsolete. According to recent energy sector updates and research through early 2024, solid-state battery development is accelerating. Companies like Toyota and Samsung are pushing prototypes that offer 40% more energy density. This means your battery stores more power in the same physical space. But here's what matters: smart battery management interfaces now let you see real-time charge cycles. Imagine opening your home energy dashboard. Think of a sleek control panel with a battery status widget showing percentage, health score, and estimated lifespan. You'd see your battery icon, usually green when healthy, with a timeline graph below it. That's what modern systems display now. You can actually watch your battery optimize itself. The second breakthrough is artificial intelligence managing your entire energy grid. This is revolutionary. Smart meters now use machine learning algorithms to predict your energy needs before you use them. Your system learns your patterns: when you charge your car, when you run heavy appliances, when solar production peaks. Picture this: you open the distribution hub screen. You'll see a Smart Predict toggle activated by default in 2024 to 2025 systems. Below that, a calendar heat map shows energy usage patterns in different colors. Red zones indicate peak times your AI learned last week. Green zones are optimal windows for battery charging or heavy energy draws. The system automatically schedules tasks during green windows to save you money. The interface typically shows 3 main buttons: Optimize Now, View Predictions, and Set Preferences. Click View Predictions and you see a 7-day forecast of recommended energy usage. Your AI is literally telling you when to run your dishwasher, charge your vehicle, or activate your water heater. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily covering breakthroughs exactly like this. The third breakthrough ties everything together. Your solar panels, wind turbines, or community renewable sources now sync with your battery and grid in real time. This is called Distributed Energy Resource Management, or DERM systems. Here's the practical application. Open your DERM dashboard. You'll see 3 primary sections. The top shows generation, your renewable sources with live production meters. Solar output measured in kilowatts, updating every 5 seconds. The middle section displays storage, your battery status with charge and discharge rates. The bottom shows consumption, what your home is actually using right now. Most interfaces include a toggle for Grid Assist mode and Autonomous mode. Grid Assist mode means your system can sell excess energy back to the grid when you produce more than you need. Autonomous mode means your system makes all decisions without your input. It's fully automated optimization. There's usually a historical data tab too. This shows you a 3-month graph of generation versus consumption. You'll visually see gaps where you could install additional solar, or months where battery expansion would pay for itself. Here's where most people miss opportunities. First, adjust your peak shaving settings. This feature charges your battery during low-rate hours and discharges during expensive peak hours. You can manually set peak hours in the rate schedule section of your settings. Look for the clock icon. Most utilities publish their peak pricing periods. Align your system accordingly. You can save 20 to 35% on energy bills just through this single optimization. Second, enable predictive maintenance notifications. Battery degradation is real, and your system will alert you before efficiency drops. Most interfaces show a health score as a percentage. Anything above 85% is optimal. When it drops below 80%, your AI recommends professional inspection. Don't ignore these alerts, preventive action costs way less than emergency replacement. Third, connect your electric vehicle charging to your energy management system. Most modern EVs communicate with home energy systems through standardized protocols. You'll see an EV charging widget on your dashboard. Set it to charge during peak solar production hours or when your battery is already high. This single change can reduce EV charging costs by 40%. Finally, participate in your utility's demand response program. Many utilities now offer real-time pricing and compensation for reducing energy during grid stress events. Your system can automatically opt into these. You'll see notifications of events with projected financial incentives. You literally get paid to let your system optimize during emergencies. These breakthroughs aren't theoretical anymore. Per recent updates from energy sector leaders and documented through early 2024, major utility companies and residential platforms are rolling out these features to millions of users. Tesla's Autobidder system, traditional utility smart grid initiatives, and emerging startups are all deploying these exact capabilities. The question isn't whether this technology exists, it's whether you're using it. Energy independence isn't a future concept. It's happening right now. The people who understand these breakthroughs first will save thousands while others pay outdated bills. The technology is here. The interfaces are user-friendly. The savings are real. Remember, we're here to help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Whether it's energy management, smart home integration, or emerging technologies, you've got this. Subscribe now so you don't miss next week's deep dive into grid-scale battery innovations. We post tech tutorials daily. You've got the knowledge. Now go optimize your energy setup. Navigate forward with confidence.